Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change the name on your PayPal account. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to paypal.com and you'll be greeted by a screen like this. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to PayPal if you of course already do not have an account on this platform. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and see what we actually have in front of us. So here we have the home, send, wallet, activity, help. We have send and request and a lot of different options here as you can see. But now guys, let's see how you can change the name on your PayPal account. So it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these two steps that I'll be showing you to know how to do it in no time. So as you can see in the top right corner, we have the logout button, but you'll be clicking on this wheel here. When you click on the wheel here, you'll have a couple of options as you can see. What you need to do guys is here on profile, as you can see on the left side of the screen where you have your name, you can see your name. There, beneath that, you have change name or complete your personal profile. You'll need to of course go and click on change name, put the new name that you want to put there, just click save and your new name will be there. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.